We know August is a really, really tough month for the gardeners out there. It's hot, it's dry, people get,
tired.
I feel like people get tired and they just kind of lack that creativity. You have a to-do list, a checklist, if you will.
That's right, it's kind of a gardening checklist to do. So the first thing is if you have a vegetable garden, you wanna make sure that you continue to harvest everything. Things are gonna get kind of tired. You wanna make sure that you cut things back. If you have a lot of basil like people tend to do, you can make some really cool pesto.
Or stick it in the freezer,
Or stick it in the freezer, right. Also, you want to make sure that you're going to harvest all your vegetables, like your zucchinis and your cucumbers and your tomatoes. If they get too big on the vine, they're not going to taste as good.
What about if I want to get stuff in the ground for the fall?
Right, so August is a great time to do your cold crops, or what we call the cool season vegetables. So we got kale here, we got the cabbage, this is the red cabbage, even your onions and your garlic, that's when you want to go ahead and start getting those planted.
Go ahead and get it in the ground. Also a good time to really cut back those flowers and plants that are just really
Things are looking really
crazy.
gross and they're just looking really tired. So take some good pruners, we call it deadheading. You know, you're gonna cut back any of those.
All the way down here?
All the way down. And then if it still looks bad, you can just pretty much give it a really good haircut.
There you go. All right, you're so crafty.
Yes.
I love this.
I love the crafts. And of course, you know, we've had garden parties all summer long.
Yes.
We got empty wine bottles, empty bourbon bottles. So do a really cool arrangement with them. We got these really cool tea lights or the little fairy lights. They're battery operated, put them down in a glass bottle and you got a really cool decoration.
You just took those labels off and look at that. Also, grab the smartphone,
We all have smartphones attached to us. So take a picture of all your stuff in the garden and post it on Instagram, do really cool filters, and then you can also remember what you planted.
For more details, go to wallitsch.net.